He wasn't able to get it unbuckled till now. Yeah.
This is Adam tying the knots before taking down a palm tree. First we have a guide rope up at the very top. It's kind of hard to see. And then we have a support rope which supports the entire log itself that he is cutting. And then below that we have another support rope that catches the log on a pulley system, which is held in place by a stake and a piece of rope. And then I lower it down slowly, and that's how we take down a palm tree. Goodbye. Adam taking down the tree. Yes, I am. Probably about halfway through right now. Alright, here she comes. Here she comes.